When I went to college, I had a really strongly felt determination that I would learn Hebrew and that I would learn that script and that these texts would become intelligible to me, and that that was just something that I needed to do as a Jewish person. And I have felt since that time, and I've shared with my students many times, the image of encountering something for yourself versus encountering it in translation. And when you are dependent upon a translation, then it's always going to be at arm's length. And depending on the angle at which that person, your translator, is holding his or her arm, it might block your view in a way that you wouldn't choose. And so I really wanted to learn the language, and I felt like language was my way into texts, and texts were my way into culture, into my own independent decision-making, a panoply of things that were important to me about being Jewish could only be accessed by learning Jewish languages.